Teresa, why didn't you order real food instead of these?
I be vegetarian, so now only veggies and water they mostly eat.
Just wanted you to know that money isn't a problem. But honestly, I love how disciplined you are.
Oh, thank you.
Once again, thank you for accepting my invite to sit out with me.
No wahala, now you try pass.
Yeah. Omo, thank God say Teresa no order for plenty things, so make I quickly go house, go soak garri.
Omo, vegetarian my ass. I'm done, make I go house, go mold garri chop.
Make I use this one hold my side.
E no good to lie oh my people. See as hunger take follow me reach house. Ha! Make I use this small food hold belly first. Abeg make una subscribe for no reason.